Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about 10 animals that prepare for winter in the fall, along with fun facts about each animal. Squirrels. Squirrels gather and bury nuts in the fall, creating food stores for the winter. They have an amazing memory and can find most of their hidden stashes, but sometimes forgotten nuts grow into trees. Bears. Bears enter a deep sleep called torpor during the winter, which is similar to hibernation, but not as deep. Before winter, they eat massive amounts of food, gaining weight to sustain them through their long nap. Chipmunks. Unlike bears, chipmunks don't fully hibernate. They store food in burrows and wake up periodically during winter to snack. Their cheeks can hold up to 10 nuts at once. Beavers. Beavers build dams and lodges during the fall, creating cozy homes to protect themselves from predators and the cold. They also store sticks and twigs underwater for easy access during the winter. Hedgehogs. Hedgehogs hibernate to survive winter. They roll into a tight ball when sleeping, protecting themselves from predators with their spiky quills. Before hibernation, they gorge on insects to build fat stores. Deer. Deer grow thicker coats in the fall to keep warm during the winter. Male deer called bucks grow big, strong antlers in the fall. They use their antlers to play games with other bucks like antler wrestling to see who's the strongest. Bats. Bats hibernate or migrate during the winter, depending on their species. In the fall, bats get ready for a long winter nap called hibernation. They find cozy caves or trees to sleep in and curl up, sometimes snoozing all winter long like they're having a super long bedtime. Some bats don't like the cold, so they fly south just like birds in the fall. It's like going on a vacation to stay warm while they're waiting for spring. Skunks. Skunks love to eat in the fall. They munch on bugs, berries, and plants to get nice and full, preparing for their long winter's nap. It's like they're getting ready for a big sleep by having a yummy feast. They sleep in communal dens, often sharing space with other skunks to stay warm. Kind of like a slumber party. Raccoons. In the fall, raccoons grow a thicker fur coat to stay warm. It's like they put on a fluffy jacket just like you do when it gets chilly outside. They prepare for winter by storing food in burrows or dens. Raccoons love to stay awake at night, especially in the fall. They roam around looking for food under the moonlight, like little nighttime explorers. Groundhogs. In the fall, they eat lots of plants and insects to build fat for the winter. Groundhogs are true hibernators. Their body temperature drops to just a few degrees above freezing. Ooh. And their heart rate can slow to as low as 5 beats per minute. Groundhogs dig deep under tunnels to make their homes. In the fall, they make sure their burrows are comfy and warm for their big winter snooze. Well, there you have it, friends. We learned 10 animals that prepare for winter in the fall and some really fun facts about each. I hope you join me next time when we explore more fun facts. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel.